Okay, export data. After learning this unit, you'll be able to describe and compare two methods of exporting data from Salesforce. Export data manually using the data export wizard, and set up automatic export of data on a weekly or monthly schedule. You can easily export data from Salesforce either manually or on an automatic schedule. The data is exported as a set of comma-separated values files. Data export tools provide a convenient way to obtain a copy of your Salesforce data, either from a backup or for importing into a different system. Okay. Salesforce offers two main methods for exporting data: the data export wizard and in-house wizard. A little friendly Dumbledore, accessible through the setup menu. It allows you to export. What is it? Did I say in-house? An in-browser wizard. Okay. It allows you to export data manually once every 7 days or every 29 days for weekly or monthly. You can also export data automatically at weekly or monthly intervals. You can also export data automatically on a weekly or monthly intervals. In a professional edition or in developer edition, you can generate backup files only every 29 days or automatically at monthly intervals only. It's interesting. Why would a person you worried about losing data, so you're going to have a backup of your whole Salesforce instance? Data Loader, a client application that you must install separately. It can be operated either through the user interface or the command line terminal on a Mac. The later option is useful if you want to automate the export process or use APIs to integrate with another system. Using the data export wizard, Get Cloudy is a high-tech consulting firm specializing in CRM implementations. Chance Joners Bauer Charnas. Get Cloudy's financial analyst knows that data loss can have serious financial impact on the business, so she sets up a meeting in the employee cafe with Salesforce admin Chinua Torre to talk about backups. Chinua explains that he automates weekly backups with the data export wizard. Follow these steps to export data from the setup. All right, I want to look at this. Okay, from setup, enter data export in the quick find box and select data export and export now or schedule export. Okay, let's check this out. Export. Select the desired encoding for your export file. Alright. US is good. If you want images, documents, attachments, and so on included in your data, select the appropriate options. Yeah, I'll take those. And Salesforce files and CRM versions. Select replace carriage returns with spaces to have spaces instead of carriage returns or line breaks in your export files. This is useful if you plan to use your export files for importing into other integrations. Okay, if you're scheduling your export, select the frequency, only available for organizations with monthly report exports, so you may not have it. Start and end dates and time for your scheduled export. Under export or data, select the types of data to include in your export. We recommend that you select include all data if you're not familiar with the terminology used for some types of data. Click start export or save. Okay. That's a lot of data. Cool. Data export is currently in progress for my organization. Salesforce creates a zip archive of CSV files and emails you when it's ready. Exports will complete as soon as possible. However, we can't guarantee the date and time the export will complete. Large exports are broken into multiple files. Follow the link in the email or click data export. I'm laughing because my previous job, this was like the bane of our existence, was getting data out of our system. We had enterprise companies that were using it for reporting purposes. They would end up with these huge files that just would break the application. Follow the link in the email or click data export to download the zip file. Zip files are deleted 48 hours after the email is sent. Okay. I'm going to turn this off because I don't think I should show the answers. I'm just going to say that I'm so happy that this joke is included here. It must be installed by an actual wizard. Because the fact that this is called a wizard, just somebody has to call attention to the fact that that's hilarious or odd or whatever. But okay. Thank you. Okay, here's one of those. I already selected an answer here. Sorry. Grow a long beard and find a magical staff. That's really great. Now, it's funny, though, because our guidelines now are that we can't do two jokes in the same quiz. But I'm really happy this was written before those guidelines, because these are good jokes. Okay. Yeah, I got the badge. I messed up, though, because I thought it had to be through. I got the wrong answer the first time, which is a little embarrassing. But in any case, that happened. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Trailhead.